Hello everyone, today we are here to see about the important causes of industrial accident, where one of the causes is the poor maintenance of the equipment, which about this particular poor maintenance of equipment we are going to see over here. Now presently you are seeing a particular image which actually shows about a significant damage which has happened to one of the industrial equipment. It is likely due to the poor maintenance of the equipment, by virtue of which most of the times industrial accidents occur, which is the main important cause of the industrial accidents which are occurring in most of the industries, which may be due to the poor maintenance of equipment. Now in this particular slide we are going to observe and what are the implications of the poor maintenance. That is what we are going to see over here. Now you can see over here the image actually it depicts about a large industrial vessel or a reactor which has suffered a catastrophic failure. And what is the failure that we could see over here? That there is a massive rupture or explosion in its body. Now you can see over here the outer surface appears charred and burnt, indicating exposure to intense heat or fire. Now the walkways or the platform, this you can see the platform where actually basically the people walk on this particular platform, which is actually the platform which is surrounding this particular equipment is also damaged, we can see over here, and whatever the residuals of the burnt material is on this particular platform. Now this particular equipment, it appears to be a part of a chemical industry or a processing industry. Now due to this particular poor maintenance of equipment, the industrial accident has occurred, and the implications of the poor maintenance, it may be due to corrosion and wear. Now what is actually corrosion and wear? Over time the equipment, if it is not regularly inspected and maintained, internally corrosion will take place, which will weaken this particular structure. Or there may be a second implication can be the failure of the safety systems. Then if we lack in regular testing or replacing the safety valves or sensors which are related to this particular industrial vessel or reactor, they can lead to pressure buildup, and the failure of this pressure vessel or will take place. The third implication can be the fire hazard. Poorly maintained electrical connections, then if there is a buildup of flammable residues, or if there is a leaks, that can lead to fires or explosions. And the last implication can be like a downtime or financial loss. Such accidents can lead to costly repairs, production halts, and legal liabilities also. And last and most important implication is the human risk. Most importantly, this kind of failure will have a severe safety risk to the workers who are around the area. Thank you.